Hi everyone. In Filmora, it's not possible to follow motion tracked object with the camera, at least not with a straightforward method. Most people use keyframing, which can take too long, so let me show you a method I came up with that can save you time. I'm using Filmora 13, but it should work in all versions with the motion tracking feature. Start a new project where you insert only the clip that you want to motion track. Select the object and track it. Depending on how visible your target is, this may take more tracking points, like for my clip. Now that we have a tracked object, choose any filter or effect, it doesn't matter. We will turn its properties down anyway, so it's not visible. Back to our clip, attach the filter or effect to the motion tracking. You can already see the camera moving, but it looks very wrong. No problem, we will flip the clip on both axes. Now the camera follows our object perfectly. We can export it now. If yours also came out jittery, you can use this website 123apps to smooth it out. Link in the description. Great! Now we can import this clip into our main project. Here we will basically reverse the steps by flipping the clip back to how it was originally. We can also crop it and zoom in on our object. We successfully tracked an object with the camera. I hope you found this short tutorial useful. Bye!